Hey, hi, it's Danielle from For Patriots. Dads are pretty special people, don't you think? It just makes sense that we have a whole day dedicated to them. And that's why I wanted to share with you some really cool gifts for Father's Day that aren't ties or socks. First, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video, and we've got more awesome videos in store you won't want to miss. All right, now on to our selection of stuff that any dad would love. The first group of Dad's Day favorites is something almost any guy loves: food. But just like that pile of old junk that dads always seem to have lying around because you never know when you're gonna need it, this food serves more than just great taste. It's potentially life-saving too. Case in point, our emergency food bars. What's really great about them? Each bar has 400 life-sustaining calories and is loaded with great nutrition. They won't make you thirsty, taste like a shortbread cookie, and can fit in the palm of your hand. Because they can withstand extreme temperatures, dads can put a whole package of these emergency food bars in their car, RV, or boat and not worry about them for 5 whole years. Okay, let's move on to our 72-hour survival food kit. This one is incredibly popular because it's the perfect amount of food to have on hand for emergencies, and it really fits that you never know when you're gonna need it mindset we talked about earlier. It's got 16 scrumptious servings of recipes like Grammy's sweet oatmeal, America's finest mac and cheese, and creamy rice and vegetable dinner, which is one of my personal favorites. Talk about comfort food. It's like a warm hug in a bag. Now, some dads are more meat and potato types, and for them, we have our very appropriately named Meat and Protein Deluxe Survival Food Kit. I like to call this one the Hunger Crusher because it's got, get this, 697 total grams of protein. In it, you get 16 servings of freeze-dried beef, chicken, and black pinto and red beans. The variety of dishes Dad can make with this kit is almost endless. Everything from tacos to stews, chili, casseroles, and more. Next up, we have what has been our most popular kit of the last year, the 4-week survival food kit. With the onslaught of natural disasters and global pandemics, this kit is just the ticket if you need to hunker down at home or bug out in a hurry. It offers Dad a lot of food security with 184 servings of delicious recipes like buttermilk pancake mix, fireside stew, Frank's favorite Alfredo, and even chocolate pudding to help satisfy any sweet tooth. Okay, that covers some of our choices for Dad when it comes to food, but there's also another type of gift dads go bonkers over: gadgets. But these gadgets won't end up in that old pile of junk. They're actually useful survival tools that can come in handy every day or when facing a dire situation. For instance, our Kettle personal water heater. This item has been a blockbuster from day one. Dads will find this so cool because it can provide 16.9 fluid ounces of boiling water without fuel, cords, or electricity, which is especially important if your power goes out or you're off-grid somewhere. See these parabolic mirrors? They direct the sun's rays right at this tempered glass tube to heat the water inside. In just a few minutes, you've got piping hot water. With the Kettle, you can easily make boiling water for coffee, tea, cocoa, or soup, perfect for dads who love outdoor adventures like camping, hunting, hiking, and fishing. The next gadget I want to show you is another favorite: the Liberty Band Emergency Solar Radio. We like to call this one the storm chaser of radios, and for good reason. It's got 7 24/7 weather channels to keep you updated if a severe storm hits your area. Plus, it's also got NOAA alerts, which stands for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Basically, if you live in a coastal area, having a Liberty Band radio as part of your preparedness plan is especially important. Not only does it have a clock, a built-in flashlight, a phone charger, and 4 ways to keep it charged, the Liberty Band radio also has a shortwave radio, which is critical if the power grid goes down. Okay, so the next nifty gadget on my list for Dad is our Patriot Power Cell. Talk about a reliable source of energy. These pocket-sized power banks harness the power of the sun to charge your phone or tablet, even 2 devices at once. And it's got a flashlight too. We've actually sold over 1.5 million Patriot power cells. So now Dad can stay connected with a fully charged phone. The next tool I'm going to showcase is what I call a house favorite, because so many folks here at 4 Patriots absolutely love it. This is the Halo XT Tactical Flashlight. This guy is part flashlight, part survival essential, and all superhero, just like Dad. It's got a super bright LED flashlight, work light, and SOS light, along with a compass, magnet, seatbelt cutter, and fierce glass breaking hammer. But the best part? This flashlight is 100% solar powered, which means it never needs batteries, like ever. And here's the kicker. It can power your phone and other USB devices. It's no wonder most people grab these by the 4-pack. Next is one of our newest backup power superstars, and honestly, the most requested item of 2021 so far. This is the Patriot Power Sidekick. Sorry, not that kind of sidekick. Weighing in at just a smidge over 8 pounds, the Sidekick delivers a wallop of power, 300 watts worth. It can power your phone, computer, tablet, small appliances, lights, even personal medical equipment. Plus, it comes with a free 40-watt solar panel, which functions as its own power bank, and we all know dads love free. The Patriot Power Sidekick is something Dad might love for his shop, truck, or RV, or just to keep around the house if you can't find an open outlet. All right, this next gift is what you get Dad when he's been really, really awesome. Like, if you were Santa and Dad was at the top of your list, awesome. It sells out just about every time we have some in stock because it's honestly in a class by itself. It's recently been upgraded too with the latest technology to offer more peak power for longer stretches of time. Yep, I'm talking about none other than our now famous Patriot Power Generator 1800. Now, this little powerhouse is an investment to be sure, but it's so far ahead of the game compared to other generators, especially noisy, smelly, and dangerous gas generators. This generator is solar, silent, and fume-free. It's so safe, you can use it in the house without worrying. It can power some of your house lights, appliances, personal medical devices, electric blankets, and even cycle your fridge or freezer so your perishable food won't spoil. Heck, it's even powering this set right now. The best part is there's no cranking, so Dad can save those muscles for the real heavy lifting. Now, if you're a little dizzy from all the great gifts for Dad, you can click the link below and see each one in greater detail. You can't go wrong with anything you choose, I promise. Tell us your favorite Father's Day gift ideas in the comments, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Happy Father's Day!